Welcome, today I'm showing how to turn off Hey Google option into a Poco X4 GT. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Then next up in the right bottom corner we got more options. If you don't have here this option, tap into your Google account icon and choose settings. So I'm going to more options and choose settings. Next up go into voice and here choose voice match. And now tap here on the switcher to turn off Hey Google and tap OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.